Hi guys, sometimes you guys start to face the issue where Instagram just keep stop working whenever you try to add a post or add a story, it just keep crashing. So for example, here you can see I'm just gonna try to add a story to my Instagram account, and you can see here when I try to post it, it is crashing. Instagram stop working, and if I try to add a post here, you can see here, and I'm just gonna try to add a new post, and it is keep crashing. So how to fix it? Let's go. So guys, first you need to open your Play Store or App Store. So in my case, I'm just gonna open the Play Store and then just search for Instagram, and here you can see my Instagram app is up to date, and then just expand the Instagram, and here you can actually see Instagram beta, right? So you are using the Instagram beta app, you are in the beta testing group, which means that you will get new Instagram update before it goes live. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you can actually see here you are a beta tester, you will see new features before the public does. So what you need to do is just leave the beta testing team. So for that, just simply click leave, and just click leave, and here you can actually see they are removing you from the beta team. So it may take a while. You can actually see it can take a few minutes to remove you from beta program, so just wait for it. Okay, so now I just left the beta version, and if you just scroll up here, you can actually see beta version is still installed. You might want to uninstall and reinstall this app. So you need to uninstall the app first and just install it again. So I just installed the Instagram again. Now just click open. Okay, now if you try to post any photos, you can see it is actually working here. And if you try to post a story, you can also see it is actually working, right? So that's how you do it, guys. So anyway, I hope it is helpful for you, and see you guys on the next video.